Hello guys, welcome back to Technology Inbuilt after 1 year of no uploads on this channel. So I'm Dinesh Kruplani in case you have forgotten me, and in this video we're going to cover the topics about the confirmed news, rumor news, and the specifications, features about the Poco upcoming device and what it could be named by the Poco officials. So with that being said, let's get started. So what is Poco F1 or Poco's upcoming device? This question has been unanswered from many months. So guys, the first thing is sure that the Poco's upcoming device is fully set to be launched soon. Poco F1 is the best-selling smartphone of 2018, and it's been a year now that we have got no news about the Poco F2 or Poco's upcoming device. So can we expect that Poco F2 or any other device is going to come in the future? So let me answer you guys that Poco F2 is going to come soon in this year. Poco F2 device exists and it is working as a mystery phone from the Poco, as Poco does not want to leak any of its news and want to keep it as a mystery device for the grand launch, you can say. So as on 20 November, Poco X2 Pro is going to launch. So we can expect to hear some news about the Poco F2 or maybe the Poco's next device, which is going to set its launch soon in mid-December. We are going to talk about that later. Before, Poco used to compete with the OnePlus phones, but now the new rival is set to compete with the flagship phones, which are the Realme. So Xiaomi's aim is to take the Realme down now. Recently, a guy tweeted about the Poco F2, about its waiting hours. You can see the screenshot on the left side or right side. And Alvin, Poco's global head, responded with the thanks for the love message. So we can expect that the Poco is set to launch soon. According to the sources, in mid-December, Xiaomi is going to showcase the Mi Mix Alpha. So we can expect that along with it, Xiaomi can also bring the Poco F2 or any other device from Poco. According to the rumors, Poco is going to launch 2 or 3 phones. So the 2 of the phones are confirmed to be launched. Like one of them is going to be the mid-range phone, which is going to be around 15 to 18K with the Snapdragon 730G. And along with that, we are going to see a flagship device around 23K to 28K, which is going to have 855 Pro processor from Snapdragon. And to compete with Realme, it is going to have the AMOLED panel, tiny bezels and small notch. And also it is going to have the black glass back, as Poco F1 had the plastic back and it got into many of the controversies from the reviewers. And also we have got the few confirmed rumors that it is going to have the Samsung 64 megapixel sensor, or many of them say that it can have the 105 megapixel quad camera setup, which is mostly seen in the Mi Mix Alpha. So we can't say anything confirmed news until the official confirms it. So guys, this was all for this video. I hope you liked this video. So do subscribe our channel for more related info about the technology and related stuffs, and do press the bell icon for the updated notifications from us. So see ya. Till then, tata. Bye.